Hey everyone, if your Eufy security camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you can just simply try these troubleshooting methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Eufy cameras only work with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and not the 5 gigahertz. So you need to basically go to your router's settings. In your router's settings, you just have to make sure that the 2.4 gigahertz is enabled. If your Wi-Fi has a single combined name, you need to temporarily disable the 5 gigahertz, or you need to create a separate 2.4 gigahertz network. Now you need to connect your phone to that same 2.4 gigahertz network before setting up the camera. Then simply open the Eufy security app and try again. Now, if the issue still persists, what you can do is you can just simply reset your camera. So in order to reset it completely, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds, or until you hear a beep or until you see the flashing light. Wait for further 30 seconds for it to restart completely. After that, simply open your Eufy security application. Then when you click on the option of add devices in it, select your camera and add it there via QR code that will be shown on your phone using the camera. Just make sure that your phone and the camera are close to the router during this particular setup. So you can try this method and see if your Eufy security camera is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.